The cutest gadget of all is the miniature motorbike. Funny to look at, but built for the job.
So during the height of World War II, you had innovation at its finest. You had soldiers with foldable bicycles on their back to be able to get from point A to point B while they were on a mission. And then they had these canisters dropped off to them that had foldable mini bikes. And these things are super sick. I really wish I could have a chance to ride one of these. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And, if you think this is a good idea.